Hello everyone, in today's class we are going to talk about the instructions that is so often asked in the examination. Instructions are steps, orders, commands or guidelines that tell someone how to do something. Instructions may be such as how to cook food, instructions to be followed by the students in the examinations, or the instructions on how to use a machine, etc. While writing instructions, imperative sentences or command verbs should be used. Similarly, sequencing words such as first, next, then, after that, and finally should be used. Some examples of instructions have been presented on the screen, so please have a look and make it out. Thank you very much for watching the video.